Hello all and welcome to this demo on Google Bard. I'm on the website bard.google.com and it first prompts us to sign in. You click on sign in and it asks you for your email and your password. Okay, so once you log into Google Bard, Bard gives you a greeting, and on the left it tells you all your previous uses, and in the middle it gives us possible prompts to understand, create, or explore. So let's start with something we can use in our everyday lives. Like, what was the marginal increase of this S&P 500 in 2023? So I put my prompt into the AI, and we can see that it takes a little bit longer than ChatGPT. Not marginally longer, but just a little bit. However, it still produces equal, if not better, results than ChatGPT. And Google Bart uses all of its answers from the Google search engine and other Google apps like Google Maps, Google Flight, Google World, and so on. Okay, so this is a good answer, but now let's try to use something that we can do practically, like coding in Python. So maybe you're on break with your friends and you want to play a Python rock, paper, scissors game with your coworkers. So let's ask it to make this prompt. Write a rock, paper, scissors game script in Python. Okay, so it is taking its time. And we see that this is something that's out of Bard's frame. Bard is a language text model. It specializes in things with language and text, and coding is something that it's not really able to do. So you should use ChatGPT and the other AI resource that we will be learning in the next lesson to do things like this. And this is a limitation of Bard. Okay, so while this is a limitation, it also has some specialties from the other AI resources out there. It can use text and images, videos, and its answer, similar to what you'd have to pay for in ChatGPT to get GPT-4. So let's use an example. Okay, so maybe I don't know what a golden retriever looks like, and I want it to show me pictures of it so I can understand. Show me pictures of what a golden retriever looks like. And it looks at our prompt and asks us questions, which shows us that it does not just give us standardized answers. So maybe I want this one, golden retriever puppies. Okay. So one thing we learned is that unlike ChatGPT, it does not take our previous answers into consideration. So if this was ChatGPT, it would have understood that we want to see pictures of golden retriever puppies. But now we have to say, show me pictures of golden retriever puppies. And then it'll give us results. Great. Before we end off, another limitation that it has is to do with math and arithmetic. So an example would be, I asked Bart what 3x plus 5 equals 8. What is x? So this is simple. This is obviously going to be 1 because 3 times 1 is 3. Add 5 and you get 8. However, as Bart is a text-based language model, it does not understand basic arithmetics, Python codes, and so on. So it gives you an answer of 17, which is clearly wrong. And so the thing with BART is you might want to check your answers before you use it. So that's about it for Google BART, and see you in the next lecture.